It is a study of London Parkland Hilton Hotel. The reason I choose London Parkland Hilton Hotel is Hilton Hotel is an international business. There's so many Hilton Hotel. So when I'm doing the capacity measurements or management, I think it's better to choose specific one Hilton Hotel. So the other is for all Hilton Hotel, but for the capacity management measurement is only London Parkland Hotel. First, this is an introduction of Hilton Hotel. Hilton Hotel is a global brand of full-service five-star hotel. In this presentation, there's three things I have to do. First, I will evaluate the impact and importance of capacity management. Second, I will measure the application of 5 performance objectives to Hilton, which is quality, speed, dependability, flexibility, and cost. And lastly, I will do a recommendation on how the operation, which is Hilton Hotel, can be improved for each of the 5 performance objectives. Let's start from evaluate the capacity management of Hilton Hotel. I go on a Hilton Hotel website, like Hilton Hotel Parkland London website. There are so many rooms and include guest room, ballroom for people who want to stay over or rent a place for the event. The large amount of rooms and enough place is one of the best things of Hilton Hotel. The capacity management is really good. Normally, they will rent out their ballroom or guest room for different company to hold their event. They never would empty a place to waste the capacity they have. In London Parkland Hilton Hotel, there's more than 80,000 square event space for many events. It include wedding, social occasions, meeting, conference, 3D floor plans, and request proposal. And a large place such like this can let 1,250 guests in it. Finish the guest room and event place, move to the hotel rooms. There are 455 spacious guest rooms in London Parkland Hilton Hotel, including 55 ensuite. Then, move to the 5 performance objectives of Hilton Hotel. The 5 performance objectives, which is quality, speed, dependability, flexibility, and cost. First, the quality of Hilton. A bedroom are clean and tidy, and that's why they are a 5-star hotel. The service is good and considerate, and the food quality, customer service, and security is good. Next, the speed of Hilton. Talk about speed. It means how quick the Hilton Hotel inside can run. For example, the time of room service and the time for making booking service, or even time taken by check-in or check-out. In this 3 ways, Hilton do really good. Next, the dependability of Hilton. As a hotel, especially a 5-star hotel, you want to keep a high dependability because it affects your brand name, which means you have to keep your high reputation of the hotel image to attract more people to pay such a big amount of money to come to stay over in your hotel. For the Hilton Hotel, they minimize the error of making a booking online. The security test. The security test is mean when the customer or any guest go through the hotel door, they have to pass a security test. It's nothing personal, but it's for the safety of the whole hotel. And time staff arrive after the room service call, because it's many times there's many emergency situation that customer can take care of their own. So once they receive the call, the time would right away go to the room that called. Next, the flexibility of Hilton. The Hilton delivery time of room service is really quick, include Also, the food option, payment methods, and booking changing. Next, the cost of Hilton. Technology and facility cost is the second cost they have to pay, and the staff cost is the meaning cost they have to pay. And the most cost is bought in material and the service. Move to the last part, is the recommendation on quality for Hilton. I think as a 5-star hotel, their room prices are already very high, but many guests would try to stay in the Hilton hotel because they want to enjoy the best travel experience. So for the customer who pay the cheaper room, they can increase the artistic feel of the cheaper room. And for example, add the welcome snack and drink to make the customer stay over experience more perfect and more good, to give them a really good image of Hilton Hotel. Also, nowadays, people would stay in the hotel for travel, mostly a foreign. So, I think the Hilton Hotel should increase their food quality on foreign food to satisfy the foreign customer. Also, the Hilton Hotel can increase the option of room service. Move to the next, the recommendation of speed for Hilton. Hilton can try to do online check-in or even mobile check-in. For example, customer can call the desk or go to the website before they almost arrive to the hotel. So the staff can prepare the room and all the stuff that they need to ready before the customer come. So once the customer is arrived, after the check-in service, they can straight up to their room to enjoy their room. Next, the recommendation of dependability for Hilton. Because the people stay in Hilton Hotel, a 5-star hotel, mostly they're rich people. So they are easily to be the target of thief, for example. So if the Hilton Hotel can under the security, it will give the customer more sense of security. Second point, hire a better IT department to protect customer privacy, because nowadays hackers really good because the technology or computer technology is changing every day. So they need to hire a better IT department to protect customer privacy. We already heard many news of customer privacy exposed. Also, they have to be quicker on error fixing because everything because people understand everyone made mistake, but the point is they have to fix the mistake really quickly so it can increase their dependability. Next, recommendation for flexibility for Hilton. For example, Hilton Hotel can add new payment method like PayMe, Alipay. PayMe is a really new app on smartphone now. People use it a lot. So I think Hilton Hotel can keep adding payment method. Also, many Chinese travel on the different place now. So Hilton Hotel can consider to add a payment method like Alipay. Alipay is a well used payment app in China. Or even they can accept the foreign currency in the hotel, because many times customers do not have the time to change the foreign currency. Move to the second point. Foreign currency exchange service can be provided in Hilton Hotel. It can provide more convenience for customer. Also, they can let customer to changing the booking through call or even website. And nowadays, vegan are getting really popular. So Hilton Hotel can provide more vegan food option for the people who come, or they should change the ingredient of different food for the customer choice. It can increase their visibility. Lastly, the recommendation on cost for Hilton. They can hire part-time student who study in hotel major. It can reduce the cost of hire other professional hotel worker. Also, they can change the hotel light into LED light. It would cost less electricity. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you.